In this video, how to fix secure boot support enabled but not active in BIOS MSI motherboards. The first method, if the secure boot mode is currently configured to custom. First, disable the secure boot. Next, change the secure boot mode from custom to standard. A new pop-up will open. Click Yes to install the factory default keys. Now, re-enable the secure boot. Save the changes, then restart the computer. As you can see, secure boot is now enabled and activated. The second method, if the secure boot mode is configured to standard. Disable the secure boot, then change the secure boot mode from standard to custom. Now, switch it back to standard, and the pop-up to install the factory default keys will appear. Click Yes to install. Re-enable the secure boot, then restart the computer. You may see a message no changes were made to the BIOS settings. Simply ignore it and restart the computer. As you can see, secure boot is now enabled and activated. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.